In this video, I'll show you how to import Lightroom Mobile presets quickly and correctly so they appear in your presets panel and are ready to use on any photo. This is a super useful workflow if you've downloaded preset files in DNG or XMP format and want to turn them into saved presets inside Lightroom Mobile. DNG, by the way, stands for digital negative, and it's a raw image format that many creators use for preset packs. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Lightroom tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Lightroom Mobile on your phone. On the home screen, tap Add Photos. Then choose From Files. This is where you'll locate the preset files you downloaded. Look for files in .dng or .xmp format, depending on what you received. Tap the files you want to import, then confirm the selection so Lightroom can bring them into your library. Once the preset file has been imported, tap to open that photo. If it's a DNG file, this imported image is usually what contains the preset look. Now in the top corner, tap the three dots icon. From the menu, select Create Preset. This is the step that turns the imported file into a reusable preset inside Lightroom Mobile. Next, give your preset a clear name so you can find it later easily. You can name it based on the style, the creator, or the type of effect it gives, like warm tones, moody look, or clean portrait. After that, select the settings you want included in the preset. If you want the preset to apply the full look, keep the important adjustments selected. If you only want certain edits saved, you can customize which settings are included. Once everything looks good, tap the checkmark to save. Now your preset is officially created. To find it, go to the Preset section. Then open Yours or User Presets. That's where your newly imported preset will appear. From there, you can tap it and apply it to any photo in just one step. And that's how to import Lightroom Mobile presets using DNG or XMP files and save them into your presets collection. It's simple once you know the process, and it can save you a ton of time when editing photos on mobile. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Lightroom tips, editing tutorials, and creator guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.